Welcome guys. In this lecture I will explain how to print even numbers from 1 to n. So let's suppose I want to print in between 1 to 10 how many even numbers is there. I want to print all those even numbers guys. Okay. So in this case how to write this particular program in Java. Okay. So first go to Eclipse. First what I will do, I will create one class. I will provide class name as a print even numbers. Okay, select main method, click on finish. Now I have a class with main method. First what I will do, I create one scanner object. Scanner, new scanner, then I will pass system dot in. Okay. Next what I will do, first I will import the scanner utilize package. Okay. Next what I will do, I will declare two variables. Okay. One is name or variable, another one is I variable. Okay. Once I declare these two variables, next I will use one print statement. Out dot print statement. In this print statement, I will mention some message to user, that is please enter any number. Okay, it will display in the console. Then user entered any number. That number I will store it into this particular number variable. Okay, number equal to, then I use next int method in this scanner object. Okay, then what I will do here, I will use one for loop. Okay, for I initialize I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number, then I will increase I plus plus. So what exactly this for loop will do, it will check these conditions. Okay, first I will write this program, then I will explain how this for loop will works internally. Okay, inside this for loop I will use one more if condition. Okay, if I divide by 2 equal to 0, it means if any value divided by 2, then remainder getting 0, those values were considered as even numbers, right? Same thing I will use here also. I will use one more print statement. It will print this all these even numbers in output console. System dot out dot println. Then I will pass I value here. Okay. Now I will explain before executing this program in between this for loop how this logic will works. Okay. So let's assume here user entered value as a 10 only. Okay. Let's consider here user entered value is 10. Okay. So whatever user entered number is there, right? 10, I store this 10 value into this number variable by using this particular reference object by using next int method. Okay, now this number variable holding value as a 10. Okay, now in this for loop I have provided this condition. So initially I declare I variable value is 1, right? Now see here I equal to 1, then what is the I value now? 1. 1 less than or equal to, what is the number variable value? 10, right? 10. Then I plus plus. Same logic here also I have provided, right? Now first check this condition. First it will check this condition. 1 less than equal to 10. 1 is always less than is 10, right? Then this condition is true. Now console comes inside this for loop, then check this condition. Okay, here 1 divided by 2 equal to 0. No, right? If divide by if uh, 1 divided by 2 getting remainder as 0.5 or something, it's not become a 0. So this condition is false. Then finally it increment one value. Now I value become a 2. 2 always less than 10. Okay, now controller comes inside this for loop and check this condition. Now 2 divided by 2, remainder getting 0. So this condition is satisfied. Now this particular 2 get printed in the output. Okay, now again it increment one value. Now I value become a 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. Condition is satisfied. Now this console comes on inside this for loop and check this condition. 3 divided by 2, remainder not getting 0. So again it go for this for loop and increment one value. Now I value become a 4. 4 less than or equal to 10. Okay, its condition is true. Again this will check this condition. Okay, now 4 by 2, remainder getting 0. Then that 4 get printed in the output. So like this, until this condition gets false, this loop is keep and iterate and print the values. Okay, so like this for loop will works inside this particular program. Okay, so whole logic will inside this for loop only for this particular program. Okay, I hope you will understand how this particular logic will works. Okay, now what I will do, I will execute this particular program. Now let's suppose I entered as a 10. If you press enter, in between 1 to 10, all the even numbers gets printed in this output console. Okay, so like this particular program will works in Java. Okay, so in next lecture I will explain how to print odd numbers in Java. In next lecture I will explain. Okay, okay, thank you guys. Okay, thank you.